This meditation is about relaxation. You are going to try and release all that tension that you may not even know your muscles are holding on to. This begins with your body and we will move on to your mind. While you listen to my voice, keep breathing in and out. Concentrate on doing this. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. You should already be feeling to be more relaxed. If you are going to move on to relax your body, you will start from your head and then eventually move down to rest of your body and then reach your toes. Just start by tensing the muscles in your face and scalp. Inhale and hold this for the count of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want you to pull your face into a tight frown, shutting your eyes as tightly as you can and gritting your teeth. If you are sitting, make sure your feet are flat on the ground, feeling the energy of the earth beneath you. Once you are relaxed and comfortable, you are going to concentrate on breathing again. Just rest one hand comfortably on your stomach, just below your ribcage, and one on your upper chest. Just like before, I want you to breathe slowly and deeply through your nose so that your stomach moves out against your hand. Afterwards, breathe out through your mouth. The hand on your chest should move as little as possible. Relax your mind. Relax your body. Start by making sure that you are comfortable. Find a quiet place to lie down or sit. Let your back be straight, but relax your posture and shoulders. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath through your nose, loosening all your muscles and joints. Let the breath slowly go out through your mouth as if you are letting go any stress away from your body. I want you to think about the feelings that are going through your body. Just make sure that your back, your shoulders, and your neck are comfortable. Roll your ankles and your wrists before relaxing them as well. Wiggle your fingertips and your toes. Loosen them. Keep doing this technique. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out, allowing all the air and stress to leave you. This meditation is just about relaxation. You are going to try and release all that tension that you may not even know your muscles have been holding into. If you can move your ears up and down to tighten your scalp, You should do so. Once you have reached 5, let go of all the tension. You are going to exhale and let your face go completely slack. Take your time with this before we move on to the next step. Feel the strain trickling from your facial muscles. Indulge in that feeling. If you need to, you can repeat until your face feels completely relaxed. Now, I want you to move on to your neck. Tense your neck and shoulders. Once again, inhale to the count of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once you reach your count, exhale and relax your neck and shoulders. Roll them to loosen the joints just like you did at the start of the meditation. Many people carry the majority of tension in their neck and shoulders. So, if you feel like you need to, you can repeat this step too. Take your time and let yourself go completely. You want to make sure that all your muscles are relaxed and loose. Remain calm and breathe as you go. You are going to work your way down from your neck to all the major muscle groups. Tighten your arms and pull your forearms up to your bicep before stretching them back out again. Clench your hands into fists and then loosen them again. Wiggling your fingers, roll your wrists, roll your hips, pull your knees up, but don't push it past the point of comfort. Stretch them out again. Lastly, clench your toes just like you did with your fingers and loosen them again. Roll your ankles. Remember, you can repeat each muscle group until it feels completely relaxed. Finally, I want you to breathe again. Concentrate on breathing only now. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth to the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By now, you should feel more relaxed. Just take your time and slowly just get aware to the noise you are feeling in your room. And slowly take your time and just slowly open your eyes.